Well, three of the big cannabis stocks fell more than 10% yesterday. Andy Bell joins us now from BNN Bloomberg. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, so what do we make of this tumble?
Well, quite the sell-off, and it was expected by many people because, in theory, these stocks are trading at massive valuations in the billions of dollars, and they still only have sales in the tens of millions of dollars. Of course, the excitement was legalization earlier this month on October 17th, and the cannabis industry as a whole hit really a record high 2 days prior to that. I'm doing that by looking at a so-called ETF, a stock that bunches them all together. But as you say, nasty declines yesterday, more than 10% for some big growers.
So a big drop, but that's not the sky's not necessarily falling for the cannabis industry.
No, by no means. I mean, once again, if you bought into a broad basket of the industry stocks a year ago, you're still up about 70%.
Not bad.
So that's not bad. Many of them have more than doubled. However, you are down pretty sharply from the Monday just before legalization. A year ago, there was an important event. Constellation Brands, the people who sell Corona beer, you know, the Mexican stuff with the lime in it, they did a deal with Canopy Growth. They said, we're putting more than $200 million into Canopy Growth. That really got investors into a lather because it was the first sign of an established industry taking cannabis seriously. Haven't seen the likes of Coca-Cola or the cigarette people plunging into cannabis since, but there is talk that they're circling the industry, still watching it.
So if you've got this stock, the goal is no one should panic, is what you're saying.
Well, I don't know. We always have money managers on BNN Bloomberg, and they always ask, do I think investors should panic? No. Of course, they always want you to just hold your stocks so they earn the management fees. These are trading vehicles. I should note that in early morning trading today, pre-market trading in the United States, big names like Canopy were holding their own. So it looks as though when market trading opens this morning, last time I checked, don't bet on this. Last time I checked, they're going to hold their own this morning. They're still pretty darn expensive. That's the problem. It's an exciting new industry, but people are paying up for future earnings that may be years down the road.
But anyone who thought that we were going to stop talking about cannabis once legalization happened, that's not happening. No. This is going to be top of mind for a lot of people for a while.
It's the story that won't go away, and I'm sure you've noticed it at the perennial cocktail parties. That's what people want to talk about.
Andy Bell, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.